This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.
Hello, everyone. We've prepared another mix of the latest industry updates for you. But first, let's take a look at an innovation from Autoscript, unveiled at IBC 2025.
The AutoCue 19-inch Pioneer PTZ teleprompter offers a clean, all-in-one solution for PTZ prompting in studios, corporate spaces, and educational facilities. The integrated hood securely houses a wide range of PTZ cameras, including the Sony FR7 and Canon N300, making installation simple and keeping equipment protected. With in-hood calibration, cameras like the FR7 can auto-calibrate without removing the glass. The high-brightness 19-inch Pioneer monitor will outperform any lighting situation to keep a presenter on script, while internal cable management and PSU housing keep everything looking tidy. Visa mounting points on the top and rear of the hood enable installing the prompter on wall or ceiling mounts, while traditional camera support fixing points sit underneath the monitor to make the prompter easy to balance.
Now, let's move on to the rest of the industry news. NAB Show New York, running October 22nd to 23rd at the Javits Center, will feature Creator Day on October 23rd, devoted to how creators build audiences and companies across social video, streaming, and branded content. Keynotes will explore diverse themes, including content monetization, the impact of data, partnerships, and storytelling on fandom on the road to the 2026 FIFA World Cup, and more. On the exhibit floor, creators will have the opportunity to get hands-on with cameras, lighting, editing, and production tools, and learn in on-floor theaters adjacent to vendors, a fast way to bridge discovery and workflow. Register by October 11th with code MP00 to receive a free exhibits pass to NAB Show New York.
GoPro has released the Max 2, an 8K action camera capable of capturing full 360 degrees video. Compared to previous models, Max 2 offers a range of new possibilities, including replaceable lenses, a combined POV plus 360 degrees mode, super slow motion in 360 degrees, 10-bit color depth at 8K resolution with 300 megabits per second bitrate, and GP log encoding with LUT. Other enhanced features include footage reframing, object tracking, field of view selection, in-camera effects, and more. The camera is waterproof up to 5 meters, comes with immersive audio tools, supports capture scheduling, and adds several night effects in 360 degrees mode alongside time-lapse plus night-lapse functions. Multiple Max 2 units can be wirelessly synchronized via timecode in the Quick app. Apple AirPods, Bluetooth earbuds, or other wireless mics can be used during interviews or narration. The camera also supports remote voice commands and audible alerts.
DiGiCo has rolled out its first true flypack console, the newly announced 12-fader, single-screen Quantum 112. Fitting to a Pelican Air 1637 case and weighing under 23 kilograms, the console is qualified as a standard check bag option on most flights. Despite its compactness, New Desk shares many of the capabilities of DiGiCo's Quantum range. Based on the latest 7th generation FPGAs, it offers 80 input channels with 24 AUX and subroot buses, LR-LCR master buses, and a 12x8 matrix, all with full channel processing. A dozen control groups plus 2 solos are also available. The Quantum 112 sports a 17-inch, 1000-nit, high-brightness multi-touchscreen with both a meter bridge and soft quick select buttons, and is additionally equipped with 18 individual TFT channel displays to provide user feedback and interaction. New features include mustard processing channel strips, Spice Rack plug-in-style native FPGA processing options, and nodal processing.
Celebrating one of the television industry's biggest winners of 2025, the Institute of Professional Sound IPS is taking visitors on an emotional journey at this year's IPS Pro-Audio Show at London South Bank University on Saturday, November 15th. With 8 coveted Emmy Award wins, Adolescence has proved as popular as it is groundbreaking, and the annual IPS event is marking the achievement with a seminar and Q&A program featuring key members of the show's audio team. Along with Adolescence Sound Post-Production Supervisor James Drake, the IPS Pro-Audio Show welcomes production sound mixers Kiff McManus and Rob Entwistle to the show's free seminar program. The IPS Pro-Sound Show seminar program also welcomes HHB technical support engineer Lucas Sima to the stage. Post-Magic will demonstrate and discuss the latest Avid Pro tools and EUCon features for Q4 2025, and also include a dive into Sony's 360 Virtual Mixing Environment Software 360 VME, as well as lots of the latest plugin news. Free registration is available via the QR code displayed on your screen.
Genelec has introduced the 8380A three-way midfield SAM main monitor, designed for precise imaging and neutral sound reproduction. It is the natural choice for high SPL applications in medium-sized control rooms, including professional recording, mixing, and mastering studios, as well as premium home audio environments. Featuring a highly linear 380mm woofer and Genelec's globally patented minimum diffraction coaxial mid-range tweeter technology, the 8380A offers exceptional dynamics, huge headroom, high SPL capability, and extremely low self-noise. Stable imaging and phase coherence produce fatigue-free listening.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.